are on day 2. This is day 2. So just finished doing this section right here. So I'm gonna start working the rest of it. So did one pass and steady working. Let's get straight into it. So we're at the end of day 2. Day 2, just got finished cutting a good almost half of this trailer. And as you can see, this is first cut. Looks good. See my reflection. So I have to do uppers next day. Get that portion done. And as you can see, got a reflection in here, looking a lot better. Looking a lot better. Hey, what's going on? So we're at the end of day 3, and we're going to be getting into day 4 tomorrow. And just got finished cutting with the primary cut stage on here. Just going to kind of give y'all just a little bit of a sneak peek. All right, so what I've been doing today, I'm on day right now 7. So anyway, let's think about this. So anyway, doing coloring. So as you can see, that was colored.